India with population census 2027 atam khani ina sa khawai ngaran dalei phrase kare 2026 that rahali hawpokra Manipur kongpam ngatei the flood level kan gata ning ka khrik leifadale Northeast Wunchimui Hili Center na yangsang miragaji donor ministers na tuimi haira Lekayang Tor, Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamitale. Pau bing may saina nganang rumsam. India wirakara census exercise phrase knin sara dalei. Population census 2027 ji atam knin sara kala jiling soda kas enumerations la sara dalei. Ministry of Home Affairs na Janpao Mikoshoka Tishuda Population Census Phase Kare 2026 Tadraha Tarik Akali Hapogra 2026 Tadraha Tarik Akai na reference date Sada Phrase Kare Jili Hilly Kala Snow Hit Areas Jammu and Kashmir Himachal Pradesh Uttarakhand Ladakh Hapogra Phrase Kakanili Apam Kadewi Population Census 2027 Reference Date 2027 Mayo Tarik Akaina Sara Census Exercise Singkum Katum Welungli Kupsangrada Jihandale Manipuri Kong Kayakha Ter Ngasun Taman Haira the Diomika Ning Ringpakamei Le Haira Sai Ka Kongpong the Taidali Ari Flood Level Makanda Khalei Ninka Creek Leifudale Manipur Water Resources Department way Ayang Tor report Athishuda Imphal River Minutong Bumli critical level 787.400 meters kada flood level kandalei Lilong Shongla Kongji flood level makanda Taekwe Iril River Iril Pung Bridge Bumli flood mark makanda Leisai Nambul Kong Humped Bridge Bum Taupal Kong Taupal Bridge Bamlila danger marks kashung dalayechi. Nambul River, Taupal River Kanini flood limit kandale. Manipur River, Itai Barrage Bamli flood level Tiongmeka Hendalei Sai. Department of Flood Control Measures Kuidalei the Hanga. There Kalong regulate Sada Itai Barrage with gate number 5 Maningla. Gate Kade Saikorali Shodale. Imphal Barrage with gates Madi Shohaidale. Shamushang Regulator Shunghai Dalei, Tobal Barrage Gate number 3, Tiongmeka Shohai Dalei Hanga. Northeast Region with Tourism Nathum mikhavai, Yangasang High Level Task Force Kazip Kakanepam Haira. High Level Task Force on Tourism in the Northeast Region with Kazip Jaya Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangman Tandapama. Kazip Jili Union Ministers for the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Regions Jodir Aditya M. Sintiagala Task Force members Ping Zangam. Ayawi session Chile Northeast Apam Saikorali Tourism Hakasang Rekasang Kurakavai Shongpongala Wuivang Ngashikta Ot Sabakavai Kangran Maram Ngasanachi COVID Kazat Ngahakavai Kangran Saping Kavai Health Ministry na States Bingli Hanghairam COVID cases Chungsang the khalei hitharan state saikorana oxygen isolation beds ventilators kala kankana ari arai ngaran hai phulungra kache health minister na Tizami Haira. Director General of Health Service Dr. Sunida Sarmawe Kathana Jingli achon tarik khani na kathum thang COVID maramli technical review kazip pam Haira. Kazip Chili Disaster Management Cell, Emergency Management Response Cell, National Center for Disaster Control, Indian Council of Medical Researches, Integrated Diseases Surveillance Program, Delhi Khalei, Central Government Arishang Pingwi Minginin Pingala States in a Union Territories we Minginin Pingzangda COVID situation review Sairam. Kazachili Ngasung Kavai Kangran Maramli Ngasan Hairachi. Manipur with the Gapong Wikachot Kajang mi 1.6 lakhs kadali Sajadale. Shim 35,193 kada Zakshi Hiram. State the Gapongli Ngasunda Kati mi Aka Sampang Hiram. Laren Kampi Imphal West District with Mizingkum 55, Takelampam Ibo Joba we Katingun Shoktang Sampanga. Mawan Saka Hayaji Matang Apulok Kongli Kaitwi Gahainachi. State Relief and Disaster Management Authority at Hishuda Wunchimui Hili Shim Ting Tumrada Panga Shaka Hang Jugoda Katum Public Infrastructure Facilities Hang Pangada Kani Zakshi Hiram. Kapong Hina Meeting Ting Shim Maleilak Emergency Katom Kamili Jihanda Bamdale. Region now Tingatum Sajugo Trada Shini Gadali Safe Sakamaya Bamli Tanva Hiram. Ngayin mikhavai relief camps hang shini da shini leidelayechi. Northeastern States leader Gapong ngalei kamin shoka high wuivang Union Ministers for Development of Northeastern Regions and Communications Jodir Aditya M. Sindhya nala Ninka Creek Pongshok Haira. Kala State Center na full assistance miragachi hang haira. Donor Minister Sindhya na Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalali kala Sikkim Assam CM Pingli Wunchumui na Sagazimram ngazek hairachi. Shokta kalehi yang sang dalei gaji hangda yarili atam chata achon mikhavai center na katomira gaji hang hairachi. Union Minister Amei kala Prime Minister Modi na hang gahai thada Wunchumui sa kazi hiwi eina makan shok khavai center na katomira gaji donor minister nala hang hairachi. Imphal Jiripam Shongfu NH37 li ayang ngalei kamin shoklida kamataya janrei jili kazat haphaira. Ngalei kamin ji ayang shun pung kutum shikali awang khul kala langkhong khung matak noni district li kashokna. Apam ji ngalei min gazar bam na ji. Kanithang shikawi mangali rida ngalei min sang haira kasa tharda masarang saya. Apam Jewi Shongfu Kasem Yang Sung Company ABCI with Public Relations Officer Chanpao Athishuda Kazing Roshan Gajihina Clarence Hotnara li kahap lehawa Jirada Sada Minkam Kahai Ngale Bongshok Ot Ayama Kubrer to Wachi Aya Pau hi Sam Kapang Atamay Natangda Damenglong Nungba Jiribam Vakavai Gazat Kari Traka Janre Site Kanini Shong Bandale Zingyat na mayaka shongfu ji aji thersang haura the authorities na jihandale. Manipur wiki infrastructure kala environmental conservations wuivang sada khalei maramni Governor Ajay Kumar Palanathanda high level review kazip pamhairam. Raj Pavan Chanpao Athishuda Civil Secretariat Semda khalei report aya Governor na review sahiram. Constructions Ochi Public Work Department PWD we azingli sada khalena. PWD Chief Engineer detailed report mida project Jewi status pekar kuiga hai kala vada mikazang takar sada khalei maram hangjithaya. Project atam chada kupsang asa khawai governor na hangai raji. Aya governor na Loktak Development Authority LDA lila ngasopam the Integrated Management Plan IMP we Kashok kazang kala Loktak Lake we ecological balance kuyung khawai kasamaramli review pam. LDA officials bring na IMP Chiwi Kashok Kazang Hangjithaya. Conservations ot kasali kahap sampangda khalei. Ngana sang mida Governor Palawi office na full support miragachi hanghaira. Ayawi PWD kala LDA review kazip kanini jili Chief Secretary, Principal Chief Conservators of Forests, PCCF, Principal Secretaries, Commissioner Secretaries kala Senior Government Officials ping zangachi. Latluita achiwi kamataya pauping. India with population census 2027 atam khani ina sakawai ngarandale phrase kare 2026 tadrahali hawpokra. Manipur kongpam ngatei the flood level kan gata Ninka Creek leifudale. Northeast Wunchumui hili center na yang sang miragachi donor ministers na tuimi haira. Achu pao hiling achang haira pao nada clay Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala kamhai simik shong asaserna.